Welcome to the world of instructional technology and the utilization of audiovisual aids where learning extends beyond textbooks and classrooms. In this topic, our objectives of instructional technology and audiovisual aids in facilitating learning includes projected aids, audio aids like radio, educational recording, tape recording, the sound film,
Projected aids. One film strip projector. The projector is light, portable, simple to use and easy to repair. It can be set up in a short time. The film strip frame can be stopped at any point for discussion. As they are manually operated, it can be moved forward or backward. Learners can be trained to operate it as instructor is conducting the class. 2. Overhead projector. It is a method of projection for projecting transparencies. Overhead projectors are the very forefront of the visual aid in classroom teaching. The product is very simple in design and easy to operate. The very important aspect of the overhead projector is large, bright, illuminated picture image. It provides a focal point for concentration, compelling attention of learners. Opaque projector. Opaque projector is valuable because of its abundance of material available. Magazine or book illustrations, snapshots, or newspapers clipping may shown by opaque projector. It requires a completely darkened room for its efficient operation. LCD projector is a type of video projector that uses liquid crystal panels to project images onto a screen or other flat surface. The projector has a light source, typically a high-intensity lamp that emits light. The light passes through 3 separate LCD panels, each representing one primary color: red, green and blue. These panels contain thousands or even millions of liquid crystal pixels. Multimedia projector, LCD projector. A multimedia projector is also called as video projector. It is a full projector with high resolution, capable of projecting text, images, video, audio contents. The projector has input provision to accept signals from CD, DVD player, VCR, digital camera and also from flash memory storage devices. Multimedia projectors are best suitable for classroom teaching and training purpose. This is portable, can be operated on tabletop or as a ceiling-mounted arrangement for projection. This is operated using a remote control. Audio aids. CD, DVD, USB player. These are the state-of-the-art technology devices used for playing audio information as well as video contents used as teaching aid. Radio. Radio and recording enabled to bring full range of sound in all its variations. With its proper utilization with media could be impressive and realistic. Use of radio. Develop skills in listening. To provide interest and varied sources of new knowledge. Helps to inform the public about any information. To call attention for social problems. Develops critical thinking. Principles and procedure for effective utilization of radio. Preparation of the instructor. Develop student readiness. Listening to program. Discussion and application. Follow up. Limitations. No concentrated attention. One-way communication. Adjustment. No reusability. No per hearing and reusability. Administrative problems. Educational recording. Teacher should listen to the records from various sources and select those most useful for the subjects and the topic they are going to teach. The use of recorded piece has a great value in language learning. Types of recording. Disc recording. Tape recording. Digital recording. Use of recording. To mend speech defects in one's own language. To teach good pronunciation in a foreign language. For co-curricular activities in the institute. Advantages of recording. It eliminates the time adjustment problems of radio. Played according to desire and teaching need. Recording offer a wide range of helpful material. The institution can have their own recording. Uses. It enables one to listen and hear recording previously made. Provides for the pupil to hear their voice and events which occur in their own school. Language learning is facilitated by use of tapes. Class can tape their own singing or discussion programmer and listen into them in order to improve them later. The sound film. A motion picture can be very valuable in the training program, especially where motions such as that found in any operation. If properly used, they can increase learning, save time, and provide desirable variety to the training program. Purpose of films. To motivate the class. To show an industrial process, material method of performing an operation or manufacturing. To show how skills of the trade are developed. To explain scientific principles. To introduce variety in teaching. To bring distant and past things to the classroom. To supplement the training program. Sizes: 8 mm, 16 mm, 35 mm, 70 mm films are used for classroom. A reel of film, if are in used for classroom, is generally 400 feet in length.
The topic revolves around projected ads, audio ads like radio, educational recording, tape recording, the sound film. I hope you have understood how we use technology to facilitate learning and ignite the curiosity of the learners. In our next video, we will learn more about audiovisual aids. Till then, take care.